In this video, I will show you how easy it is to create a link and start it to confirm your guests for your birthday party. So you need to access conv.online and click get started, and I will put here Jane birthday and the data and the hour of our party 8 because it's 20 because this input follow the 24 pattern. So I will put here the address just to test flowers streets, and I will allow companions because I accept that my guest comes with companions, and I need just to click create link, and here or you create your account, or you needed to sign using your Google account. I will sign using my Google account, and that's it. You have exclusive link to share with your friends. You can copy this link or send directly for WhatsApp, or you can to download the physical or to download the QR code to put on your physical invitation or digital, for example, if you use Canva. So in let's go to see the screen. That is the screen of your party. Your guest is just needed to put here, for example, Josh Jr., and to click and confirm the presence. And in your site, you can to manage your event scene, your guests confirmations, and where they confirmed the presence, which is amazing. And if you click here, you can to see the companions that will come with Josh, and yeah, you can to sort here, or you can to filter here by the alphabetic or registration date. So it's a super easy software to manage your events, and if you need to organize your birthday party, I just recommend to use conv.online.